Good morning, second graders. Today we are on page 85 of your student journal, page 85. And our objective today is, today I will use base 10 blocks to decide if I need to bundle slash regroup when subtracting 3-digit numbers. Okay, so take a second and get that caught up and let's talk about that. It says today I will use base 10 blocks. So base 10 blocks are our pictures, remember? So we draw a square to equal 100. We draw a vertical line for our 10 rod, and then we draw a circle for our 1 unit. So those are base 10 blocks. So we're going to use base 10 blocks to decide if I need to bundle or regroup. Bundle or regroup is what we did in the last few lessons. When we don't have enough, we have to get some from either we had to get a 10 to turn it into ones. We might see it a little different in this lesson. And then today we're going to subtract 3-digit numbers. So we've been doing 2-digit numbers, which are 10 to 99. Today we're going to have 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers are anything from 100 to 999. They have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 digits. So we're going to have large numbers that we're going to be working with today. Okay, so we're going to be, if you look at our vocabulary, you can tell that we're going to do a draw picture strategy. I'm not going to go over this with you, but we are going to be drawing a picture. Okay, so I'm going to read over the notes with you, even though they're really long. But we've done this, boys and girls, so it's not too different than what we've done. It says we're going to build and draw the minuend on the place value chart. Okay, then we're going to subtract the subtrahend from the cubes in the ones place. Remember, we always start with the ones place. And then, if necessary, unbundle a 10 rod from the tens place and move the 10 cubes to the ones place. So we've done that. We're going to regroup if we need to. Here's where our new step's going to be. After we do the ones place, it says we're going to subtract the subtrahend from the rods in the tens place. We've done that. But here's the new thing. If necessary, unbundle 100 square. So we might not have enough tens where we need to regroup from the hundreds. That's going to be our new step, okay? But other than that, there's not much new. So I'm going to get started and show you what this looks like with my problem. Okay, and it's nice. They give me lots of space to work. Okay, so my first problem is, what is 368 subtract 76? So 368 subtract 76. Okay, so I'm going to put my place values on top. I have 8 ones, 6 tens, and 3 hundreds. Okay, so I'm going to draw that. Ready? 1, 2, 3 hundreds, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's my minuend. That's what I have. Now I'm going to subtract my subtrahend, which is 7 tens and 6 ones. Okay, just like we've done, we always start in the ones place. That's where I start subtracting, okay? They want me to subtract 6 ones. Do I have enough? I do have enough, so let's subtract them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they want me to subtract 7 tens. Am I going to have enough? Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I have 6, can I take away 7? No, you don't have enough. You can't take away more than you have. Okay, so this is our new step. I'm going to regroup then. I'm going to take this 100, and this 100 is worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens. 100 is worth 10 tens. And that's true, because think about if you count. If I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If I count to 100 by tens, I need 10 of them. So I regrouped. Okay, now do I have enough to take away my 7 tens? Yep, so let's take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, do I have enough to take away hundreds? Sure, because I don't need to take away any. They didn't say to take away any hundreds, so I'm done. Other than writing my answer, what do I have? I have 2 ones. I have how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. And how many hundreds? 1, 2. So my difference is 292. Now they didn't ask me to do this in working form yet, so oh, I'm sorry, friends, you didn't get to see me put my answer. So let me zoom out so you can see that. I had 2 ones left, I had 9 tens, and I had 200. So I said my difference was 292. Okay, let's look at another one of these. Okay, this time my equation is 526 subtract 219. Okay, so my first step is I'm going to draw the minuend. And before I do that, I'm going to put my place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so my minuend is 5 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 tens, 1, 2, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and they want me to subtract 219. And I always start with the ones. So they want me to subtract 9 ones. Am I going to have enough? No. So I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take this 10, and that 10 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. Okay, now do I have enough to take away the 9 that they want me to? Yes, so let's take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, they also want me to take away 110. Do I have enough? Yep, take it away. And take away 2 hundreds. 1, 2. Okay, so what do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones, no tens, that's 0, and 1, 2, 3 hundreds. So my difference is 307. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's try some of these together. We are on page 86 of your student journal. We're on page 86 of your student journal. And our first equation says 672 subtract 291. Okay, so let's put our place values in. Remember, I say that makes you a strong mathematician if you know your place values. Okay, so let's draw our minuend. We have 6 hundreds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 2 ones. Okay, now we're ready to subtract. And when we subtract, say it with me, we always start with the ones. Okay, so it says take away 1, 1. And I could do it. Then they say take away 9 tens. Are we going to have enough? Let's count how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't have enough to take away 9 tens. So we're going to regroup. We're going to take this 100, and it's worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens. So I got rid of that. I regrouped it and brought it over here, because 100 is the same value as 10 tens. Okay, now we have enough to take them away. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They wanted us to take away 9. And they also want us to subtract or take away 2 hundreds. Okay, so what are we left with? We have 1, 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And we have 1, 2, 3 hundredths. So our difference then is 381. 381. Okay, let's try another one together, boys and girls. Here's our next one. And our equation is 458 subtract 139. Okay, so let's put our place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. It's kind of hard with my marker. Okay, and then let's draw our minuend. So our minuend says we have 4 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we also have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is our minuend. It's what we have. And they want us to subtract or take away 139. And we're going to start with the ones. Okay, so we're going to take away 9 ones. Oh, maybe not, because I only have 8 ones. So if I only have 8, I can't take away 9. So let's come over here and regroup. Let's take that 10 and let's bring it over here into 10 ones. So that 10 rod became 10 ones. Now do we have enough to regroup or to take away 9? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, they also want us to subtract 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, and subtract 100. Okay, so what do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. We have 1 10, and we have 1, 2, 3 hundredths. So our difference is 319. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, keep practicing and have a great day.